Hey lovelies, hope you're fine. So today for my lunch, I'm making some creamy boneless chicken curry. It's a simple recipe and I'm going to first fry the chicken, and I'm using coconut oil for that. We need that flavor. So just fry and then season with some salt and pepper and let it brown. You have to fry until it browns. So in case you want to cook something and you're in a rush, this would be the best recipe because it takes a very short time to cook. I've just added in the onions and the garlic and then just saute the chicken and then add in your fresh tomatoes when the onions start to lose color. So just continue to fry until the tomatoes soften up. So I'm adding in some dry ingredients. I've just added in some turmeric, paprika, ginger powder, and chicken curry powder. So just add in some ketchup and continue to fry the chicken. We want all these spices and ingredients to infuse together. So as you can see, it looks very nice, but we're going to add in some water because I didn't have stock, but stock would be the best option for this. Just add in some water and let it simmer for some minutes, and then we're going to add in our cooking cream. I used heavy cooking cream, so we're just adding it in and then we're going to mix and we shall let it cook for about 10 minutes. At this point, the chicken is actually ready for eating, but we just want all these things to cook together, to mix, to create a bond so that our curry tastes very nice, so that it has all the flavors, so that the chicken has all the flavors. You can have this with rice, mashed, anything that you'd wish, pasta, you can put it over pasta. So I'm just adding some fresh coriander leaves for more flavor, of course, and this is how it looks like. It's very thick, it's very thick and tasty. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.